Can you see yourself in the 2016 Nissan Frontier? With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This capable Frontier delivers impressive durability and a work ethic to match. Ready to tow, haul, or explore the trail, this rugged midsize pickup is an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Bluetooth connection, rear-wheel drive, stability control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, traction control, conventional spare tire, variable speed intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, brake actuated limited slip differential. Add a little creature comfort to your workday when you're at the wheel of this Frontier. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.